Hello audience, welcome to Byte International English, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, ELT and TESOL programs. This is ME Alert, Chairman IELTS and Head of Linguistics, Byte Bangladesh. As a part of our IELTS 8 Plus guaranteed teaching and training course, this video is on IELTS listening preparation step 3. Exclusive suggestion on listening part or section 1. Two persons dialogue on general or common social context, incidents or facts. In my previous video on IELTS listening module step 2, I talked about 24 different types of questions commonly found in IELTS listening tests. In this video, I will speak about exclusive suggested questions and topics on IELTS listening part or section 1. Two persons dialogue on common social context, incidents or facts including 38 grand topics. In this video, you will learn about 38 grand topics and 7 different items of questions for listening part 1 according to the latest real test format, latest updates as well as given topics and questions in Cambridge IELTS series book 9 to 17. So this video is very important to you. Let's begin. Lesson 3.1 Introduction. IELTS listening module is one of the two modules of IELTS tests that are common for both academic general training (EKVI) and life skills test takers. In IELTS listening test, there are 4 parts or sections of audio listening consisting of 2 monologues and 2 dialogues. Listening part or section 1 is a dialogue between two persons on a general context or common social incident. IELTS listening part 1 continues approximately for 7 to 8 minutes and is followed by 10 questions or tasks of 1, 2 or 3 categories or types. After audio listening of part 1, you will have half a minute to check your answers before turning to or starting listening part 2. IELTS listening part 1 is the easiest among all the 4 parts in IELTS listening test. If you follow my exclusive suggestion, subject contextualization, question internalization, tips, techniques and tricks properly, you will be able to get 9 band in IELTS listening real test in section 1 easily. Lesson 3.2 Exclusive questions to internalize during IELTS listening part on preparation. According to latest listening test format as our candidates got in the latest IELTS listening real test conducted and administered by Cambridge University IELTS Examination Syndicate, IDP IELTS and British Council, as well as is found in Cambridge IELTS book 9 to 17 in listening part 1. The most common questions as set in the latest previous test of last 3 years are as follows. Number 1. Complete the notes below. Write one word and or a number for each answer. In the latest 2 years real listening test, around 40% questions were set like that. Number 2. Complete the forms below. Write one word and or a number for each answer. In the latest 2 years real listening test, around 20 to 25% questions were like that. Number 3. Complete the table below. Write one word and or a number for each answer. In the latest 2 years real listening test, 15 to 20% questions were set like that type. Number 4. Choose the correct letter A, B, C or D. Single multiple choice question type. In the latest 2 years real listening test, around 10 to 15% questions were like that type. Number 5. Which one is suitable for? This type is like information, opinion matching or matching task and were 5% set in the latest test this type. Number 6. Sentence completion. Around 5% questions were set like that. And last but not least, number 7. Short answer type questions. Around 5% questions were set like that in the latest 2 years real listening tests. Lesson 3.3 IELTS Listening Section 1 Pattern with latest update. The pattern of this section is basically a very generic conversation between two people. Think about a job trainee talking to the human resource management, some tenant or a student talking about the facilities of an accommodation. The test taker will listen to the conversation and then the candidate is asked to answer 10 questions regarding the conversation. IELTS Listening Module Section 1 also deals with general topic, most probably a telephone call. You can call it as the scoring section of the IELTS examination. In this video, we are going to present you some of the 38 most reliable IELTS Listening Section 1 topics. Put some effort to get the full marks of 10 in this section through the listening module. You can elevate your IELTS band score too. Lesson 3.4 The grand list of 38 suggestive topics or exclusive suggestion on listening part or section 1. 2 persons dialogue on general or common social context, incidents or facts. Please have a look at the following 38 most common topics that appear in the IELTS Listening Real Test section 1 according to the latest test format report. 38 most important social context, topic, situation or incident or fact which are very general and common in listening test part 1. Number 1. Missing a briefcase or missing a luggage, reporting a missing thing to the police officer. Topic 2. Train derailment or fire caught or road accident. Topic 1 and 2 types are commonly found in two IELTS famous books, IELTS to Success and Prepare for IELTS series. Number 3. Children's Engineering Workshop. Number 4. Copying photos to digital format. Number 5. Junior Cycle Camp. Number 6. Holiday Rental Agency. Topic item number 3 to 6 are commonly found in Cambridge IELTS 16 test 1, 2, 3 and 4. Social contextual topic item number 7. Bankside Recruitment Agency. Number 8. Festival information. Number 9. Employment agency. Possible jobs opportunity. Item 10. Customer satisfaction survey. Common social topic items 7 to 10 you can find available in Cambridge IELTS book 15 test 1, 2, 3 and 4. IELTS listening tests part 1, 2 persons dialogue on social context related topic number 11, crime patrol form. Number 12, total health clinic. Number 13, Flanders Reference Hotel. Number 14, inquiry about booking hotel room for event. Social contact item number 11 to 14 you can get available in Cambridge IELTS preparation book 14 test 1, 2, 3 and 4. IELTS listening part 1, 2 persons dialogue on social context. Contextual item number 15, cookery classes. Number 16, South City Cycling Club. Number 17, moving to Banford City. Number 18, Alex training. You can find these kinds of items as dialogue in IELTS Cambridge book 13 test 1, 2, 3 and 4. IELTS listening part 1, 2 persons dialogue social contextual dialogue topic number 19, transport from voice author. Number 20, events during Kenton Festival. Number 21, public library. Number 22, cycle tour leader, applicant inquiry. From item number 19 up to item number 22, you can get these kinds of dialogue on social context in IELTS Cambridge 12 test 1, 2, 3 and 4 available. IELTS listening part 1, 2 persons dialogue social context topic 23, hiring a public room. 24, inquiry about joining youth council. 25, free activities in Burnham area. 26, Staton Festival box. 27, sports club. 28, children's art and craft workshop. You can get these kinds of dialogue on social context in Cambridge book 11 test 1, 2, 3 and 4. IELTS listening part 1, 2 persons dialogue on social context grand suggestion topic item number 29, joining a conference on future direction to computing. Number 30, job inquiry. Number 31, self-drive tours in the USA. Number 32, transport survey. Number 33, early learning child care center enrollment form. You can get these kinds of items, dialogue and related questions items in IELTS Cambridge book 10 test 1, 2, 3 and 4. Cambridge IELTS book 11 and 10 have prepared very reliable and recent dialogues on item 23 up to 33. As listening part 1, 2 persons dialogue on social context grand suggestion item number 34, Thorndike's Builders. 35, student information for accommodation. 36, Greek island holidays. 37, social programs. 38, weekend trips. For item number 34 to 38, you can get reliable dialogues in Cambridge IELTS book 9, test 1, 2, 3 and 4 part 1. Viewers, you will get separate videos on each of the above 38 listed social topics and 7 grand items of questions for IELTS Listening Part 1 8 Plus preparation. Stay connected by subscribing my channel Bangladesh. Thank you for watching.